Hello there, Adita Lang, and in today's little short video here, I wanted to share with you my favorite all-time abdominal exercise. Why is it my favorite? Well, it's my favorite because it's the most efficient thing I know. It works all the areas of your abdominals because we basically have three areas. You have your rectus, that's your six-pack. You have your obliques, that's your waistline. And then you have your transverse. In theory, that's kind of like your lower abs. So those three areas have to work together to get you through the exercise I'm about to show you. It really stemmed from something called Pilates, which is a form of exercise that works your core. But this exercise in particular is my all-time favorite. Are you ready? I'm going to show you two different ways. One is, let's get started. You've never done this before, so let's learn how to do it correctly. Shall we do that first? I think that's what we're going to do. So with that said, we're going to end up using one leg, and we're going to alternate legs to help us get down, because basically what we're going to do is roll down to the floor and then roll back up. Now the key to this is every single one of your vertebrae. The goal is we want to set them down slowly but surely. So let's start using our left leg. Deep breath. Now as you exhale, tuck your tailbone under, and I want you to feel your rib cage go in, squeeze your abdominals really tight, really tight, really tight. There's going to come a point where you feel like you're going to fall. When you do that, stop for a second, grab this leg, push the leg away from you so you can use it to set yourself down on the ground. Excellent, right? Reach up, big deep breath. And exhale. Now come up into a crunch. Go as far as you can. Take the other leg, push away from you, but at the same time squeeze from your center, one vertebra at a time, and then sit up. We're going to do that one more time. Deep breath, and exhale, tuck under, use your leg, tuck under, and in your head, focus on your vertebrae. Focus on pulling in your abdominals, letting one vertebra go down to the floor at a time. Set that down, big deep breath. And exhale, come up into a crunch as far as you can, then reach for your leg and use this leg as a counterbalance to peel your spine up off the floor. Okay, so that's how you get started. Now, big deep breath. And as you exhale, tuck under. And here's the key, your legs. I want your legs to stay against the floor. So you're tucking under one vertebra at a time, squeeze your rib cage. Remember, you can always use your knee if you get stuck, and roll down. Big deep breath. And exhale, come up into a crunch as far as you can. Force your feet into the floor and slowly peel yourself up until you're sitting up straight. Let's do that again. Tuck under, tuck under, tuck under. Feet stay against the mat. Pull in from your rib cage. Feel each vertebra hit the floor, one after the other. Inhale. And exhale, peel up as much as you can, as much as you can. Force your feet into the ground and then sit up straight. So that, my friends, is a Pilates roll-up. Enjoy.